Okay, what I want to do eventually is get the three different screens implemented. But before I do that, I see a problem with the start over block. Um, there's two different restarts. One restarts the whole game, one restarts just the level. And I think I want to go ahead and split these things apart. So I'm going to make a block. I want it to be called restart game. And it's going to be for this sprite only. And it's going to do exactly what this does. And then we're going to get rid of this. Okay, so restart game, very clear that it's restarting the entire game. When I die, when I receive die, I don't want to restart the whole game. So let's duplicate this. It goes here. That's appropriate. When the flag is clicked, that's essentially restarting the whole game. But when I receive die, I don't want to do that. So I want to have a different block called restart level. And for this level, it's going to be exactly the same for now, but it might change later. Restart level. Let's make sure that works the same way. So if I hit the banana, I should restart level. If I hit Z, whoa, should restart the game. And since I'm on stage one or level one or scene one, it looks the same. Okay. Um, save that. So to do the screens, um, basically the way it works is once the hero gets to the right edge, the screens should change. I should go to the left side of screen two. So let's display his X position again. And once he gets to, let's just call it 250. I want to go to the next screen. So if position is greater than 250, it's my X position, operators greater than. Then I want to broadcast again, I think. Not broadcast and wait, I just want to broadcast next scene. So the game description says I should start at the same Y position, but on the left side of the screen, I think. Yeah, right here. The next screen should appear, and the hero should be placed on the far left edge of this at the same height. So I just want to do X position. Let's do the same X position as we have here. -224. So we'll set X. All right, let's test that. So if I go all the way off the right side of the screen, it should pop me back over to the left, even if I'm in the air. Okay. That works. And now I need to keep track of what scene I'm on, or screen. Next scene, it's screen. Let's do next screen. Okay. Yeah, so if I go off the right edge of the first screen, I should go to screen 2, and I want to keep track of what screen I'm on so everybody, all the sprites know what to do. Make a variable called current screen, and it's for all sprites because I want everybody to be able to see what this is. So think um, I think I'll set current screen. All right, just do this. Change current screen by 1, and that means I need to in restart game. I need to set current screen to 1. Oops. There. Okay. So if I go off the right side of the screen, I'm going to change current screen by 1. So if it's currently 1, it'll go to 2. Let's test that. Okay, good. All right. And then if 3 is my final screen, then I want to do something different. So let's do a if else. If and current screen less than 3. Then we want to do this. Else we'll get to this later, but for now, let's just say let's just do a say. See what that does. Let's try it out. We go to level 2, go to level 3, and he says game over. All right. I don't think that's what we want to do. Eventually on screen 3, I want him to get to the daycare, and that's the end. So maybe on screen 3, there's something that blocks him from going off the right side. Okay. Now there should be something different on screen. So if I go to screen 2, there should be some change here. So let's do something basic like move where this lava is on each screen. Let's go to platform, and we want a restart game here too. Restart game. And we want it to go to its current X and Y. Y position is -202. X position is negative 147. And we want to cover when Z is pressed. All right, and we want to do the same thing for platform. That's the platform that's on the right side. We want to make a block for the sprite only, restart game. And this one is going to go to, let's get some of these other variables off. I want this and this. Okay, Y position, negative 200. This one is 245. When flag is clicked and when Z is pressed, we want to restart game. There's a duplicate there. All right, let's get these off. Okay, we want to do it for the lava also. So lava also needs restart game, this sprite only. Go to negative 178 and 36. All right, we want to do that on flag and Z. Okay, restart game. Let's go back to the hero. So he should be broadcasting next screen. So he changes the current screen. So after he goes off the right side, current screen goes from 1 to 2. So we change it by 1. Then we broadcast the next screen. So everybody's going to receive the next screen event. So let's go to these platforms. When I receive next screen, and for now, I want to just maybe shift the whole stage to the left. So let's just try this to see what happens. We'll do a negative 30. And I want to put that over here too, and I want to put that here as well. Let's see what that does. Okay, the little lava patch moved over to the left a little bit. Let's do it just a little bit more, negative 50. This is just a real cheap way to get something that looks different. Press Z to restart. Okay. And then for the banana peel, X. No, we want the Y position to be the same. All right. For the banana peel, let's do restart game. Go to position, negative 108, and negative 70. We want to use our new block here, restart game. All right, let's get rid of these. Okay. All right, so we also want a when I receive next screen. Here, I want to do some specific things. So if it's screen one, well, he's never going to get next screen on screen one. So let's do if else. So if current screen equals 2, then I want the banana peel to set x. I think it's currently at negative 70, so I want this to go to 50. That's for stage 2, and then for screen 3, we'll make it negative 100. Let's try that out. So it should go to the right. Okay, and now it should go back to the left. All right, that's good enough. These are this is good enough for this demo, but if I were working on a final project, trying to get this thing nice and playable, I need to do some extra things to make the backgrounds a little bit, make this different screens a little bit more unique. But let's save that. And next we'll start working on the win condition. I think let's do the win condition and then start looking at the power-ups.